A mysterious group of time travelers is going back and changing history by interrupting the most famous vines. From only a spoonful to "D's nuts," no content is safe from the mysterious travelers. The earliest iteration of this trend I could find was uploaded by Your Birth Certificate on the 15th of June, interrupting King Bak's seminal work with the big spoon. That being said, if you know an earlier example, please comment below. Vines are perfect for this type of trend because they already exist as iconic works of art. The ancient Eldritch platform allowed creators to produce 6-second clips that needed to be short, punchy, and gain attention quickly. Since Vine shut down in 2017, TikTok of course has filled that void for short-form content, but old Vines really did have a certain vibe to them that no other platform has properly captured since. Hence, they remain instantly recognizable in meme culture, with many of the greats iterated upon again and again until becoming the foundations of modern productions. It would seem people are creating these time traveler memes with Luma AI, also known as Dream Machine, which allows existing videos to have certain elements edited in post. The results vary in quality, but oftentimes they are good enough to create short-running stories such as the idea that famous vines are being interrupted by mysterious time travelers. And of course, this does make for a compelling idea. Imagine what would happen if none of the famous vines actually existed. Those videos are so influential, and much of meme culture is built off the back of the silly clips from a decade ago. It reminds one of the "what if it was all a dream" phenomenon from 2020, which saw people photoshopping empty spaces into famous memes. The same thing is happening here, except on a cinematic level, as we get to see the people actually coming in and interrupting the famous moments instead of only the aftermath as shown in 2020. It's exciting to know that vines have become such iconic and significant aspects of online culture, that they're at the point where trends that are a decade old are still receiving millions upon millions of views, simply because they made such a huge impact years ago and audiences still recognize them. In short, the idea that a mysterious group of time travelers is going back and interrupting vines is not only an exciting way to revamp the viral clips of yesteryear with AI, but it also acknowledges the cultural impact Vine has had on the world. What meme would you guys like me to give a lesson in next? Let me know in the comments below.
And remember, like and subscribe!